Hello everybody, we are back at it again with another Tech Tip Tuesday video. This video is specific to our Snowflake mini-series, and unlike the videos in the past, we're not going to be focusing on data integration, but instead we're going to be focusing on data quality. Like the other videos, we're going to be leveraging a tool that Wavical has built in-house called Augment. What's going to be doing the heavy lifting is our data quality module. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can build out various data quality checks to measure the health of our data, and then further along in other videos, we're going to be looking at a dashboard that's able to report back what those health checks were able to find. Without further ado, I'm going to flip over, share my screen, and do this in real time for all of you. In order to start building out our data quality health check pipeline, I want to click on quality in the new pipeline, come in and type in my process name. We'll call this customer health check to keep it simple. Then we select our source type, database. Source system is going to be Snowflake. In this case, I named it connection. Database is going to be dev. And then we choose our schema. And then lastly here, we're going to choose the tables that we want to run these checks on. I'm going to use some sample sales data for this demonstration. Click the object, sample sales. And then on the left here, I've got all of my fields. On the top right, I have different categories for the checks, so I can kind of come in, click, and sort the checks that I'm running based on, in this case, table level checks. So what we're doing here is we're looking at region ID, we're looking at the null values, and then I deem whether or not I believe null or not null to be good or bad in this case, so we can get a ratio between the two. And then we'll run another check here in just a second on the same field, region ID. We're going to say that unique information in this field is deemed as bad, again to get another ratio across the entire data set. And then units sold, I want to get a total count for all of these different fields that would reside in the data set. And then we'll select some other mathematical checks here: mean, median, mode, min, max, standard deviation, sum. Save, and then we can see all of the checks here on the right hand side have been correctly added with the correct columns. And we'll do another fun one here. I'll select cost, and let's take a look at what our min and max is along with median and mode for our cost. And then I'll move back to table level checks, selecting cost again. I'm going to look for any unique values that might present themselves in that field. Click next. Moving along to validate. All of this looks good. These are all the checks that we just built out. Click create, and we now have our data health check job created. I can run the job instantly if I want, deactivate, edit, whatever the case is. And I can come in and view my dashboard once we've given this a little bit of time to run. And we'll cover this in the next video series. Thanks for attending.